Do you find that your computer is running really slow, freezing, or crashing? One of the common reasons for this is a full hard drive. If you have a look at the properties on your C drive and you find something like this where it's a full circle of red and almost no free space remaining, you need to free up some space or purchase a larger drive. So I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to find where all the large files are on your drive. Coming up. Daniel from Twin Bytes here, leveling the playing field between the techies and the non-techies with helpful tutorials. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. So the first thing you want to do is go on to Google and do a search for Free Disk Analyzer. It should come up with ExtentSoft as the website in the first result. When you're on here, it'll take you right to that page, so you can click to get the free download and then go and click on Free Disk Usage Analyzer. That will allow you to download the software, and you can save it first if you want, or just go run it. And simply run through the wizard just like any other installation. Once it's installed, it starts scanning and analyzing the drives, and it starts to show you the percentage used by each folder. If you look in the bottom left corner here, you'll see that it's showing that it's actually in the middle of scanning and analyzing the folders, and you can see them populating and changing as it's scanning. So before it's even done, you can see which is the largest folder in the C drive. Once it's done, you can actually click into the largest folder and then see the subfolders of which is the largest subfolder of that folder. And then you would just continue to drill down and find out which file and which folder is the biggest file, or it could be a series of files. But at least from here, you'll be able to get a better understanding of which folder, files, or subfolders are the main culprit here, and you can either delete them or move them to an external drive for archiving, or if your drive is just too small and you need to keep all of these things, then you would need to look into purchasing a larger hard drive. Thanks for sticking around to the end here, and consider subscribing if you're new. I post a new video every week, and I greatly appreciate all your comments, questions, and suggestions for new videos. So feel free to comment below, and see you in the next video. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.